How to fix Streamlabs alerts not working. So if you want to fix the Streamlabs alerts not working, then first, the Streamlabs ensures that you don't miss out any important notifications during your stream, keeping your audience engaged and informed. Now, here's how we can simply fix that. So you need to open up your Streamlabs and make sure to log into your account, and then click on login and log into your account. And once you've opened, you need to simply go for the settings, which is here on the bottom left, and under your settings we're going to go for the advanced option. Click on advanced, and then we'll scroll down, and here we'll be able to see the sources option. So here you will have the sources. As you can see, it is checked, right? So if you have this checked, then you need to uncheck your sources. And once you've unchecked, your problem will be fixed. And then you need to click on done, and you need to simply remove that application or remove that, and you can log out of your Streamlabs and then restart it. And once it's done, you should be able to fix this problem. Now the other option that we are going to try is this one here. I want you to go and try on the dashboard. So go for the settings, and then here you may have dashboard option, or if you don't have the dashboard option, here on the left side of your screen you may have a bunch of options, and you can simply go for the dashboard option. But if you don't find the dashboard here, you can simply remove that, and then you can go for a new tab and you can search for streamlabs.com/dashboard/ and once you've searched, it will take you to the dashboard. And under your dashboard, once we are here in the dashboard, you need to simply scroll down and search for the settings. Go for the settings under your dashboard, and then we are going to go for the API settings. And under your API settings, you need to, and under your widget settings, here you will have reset alert box settings. So what it will do is it will reset your alert box back to its default when you just first started. Now, if you have a lot of customizations added already, then this is going to be a bit of a hassle. However, if this is your only hope, then I think it's going to be worth doing it. So now after doing it, I want you to try and customize your alert box once again, and that's it. That's how you can fix your Streamlabs alert not working. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.